Got him, Evie, you got him.
Really?
Yeah. Fish. No. See
Got him, Evie, you got him?
Reel it.
Bring him in.
Crank it.
You got one? You got him, Evie, you got him. There he is. AJ, you're going to get tangled up with him. Get that. Get yours out of the way.
That's a big one.
He's got a good one. You got him?
Put that hand on this one. Reel it.
Reel him up. Want some help? Help you?
Yeah.
Yeah, help you?
Cheese.
You got a fish, Evie? You got one. He's out there. Where is he? Is he coming?
Yeah, I
Oh,
can
he's
see
pretty
him.
big.
You got a big one.
He's a big one. He's a giant one.
AJ, help him out a little bit.
Not as big as.
You want to help him out a little bit? I'll hold this. Help him out a little bit. He knows what to do. Don't take it from him. Just don't take it from him. Let him do it. Just help him reel. Just turn the crank a couple times for him.
He won't let me.
I know he wants to do it all by himself, doesn't he? You got one, Evie. Bring him in.
Oh, that thing's
Wow.
big.
Yeah, that's
Nice
a big
fish,
giant
Evie.
Bass. That's a big bass.
Reel that puppy in, man.
You got him?
Baby.
The line's gonna snap when he brings it
He's
up.
not a baby.
Yeah, he's not a baby.
Yeah, he's a
He's a
grown
big fella.
Hey, baby.
Reel a little bit more. Reel a little bit more.
Oh, you. Oh, no, put it in the water.
All right, let me help you, Evie. I'm gonna come and help you, okay? You got him. Here, turn it.
He's a big giant.
I'm gonna help you just a little bit. Oh, he's a good one. He's a good one. There he is. You got him.
He's gonna snap.
He's a big one. Good
My
God,
tube
Evie.
got away. My tube was safe.
You got him?
His tube's in his mouth.
Oh yeah, nice fish, Evie. You got him? Evie, say cheese.
Cheese.
Good job. Nice fish.